case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a complex legal dispute over land ownership in Multnomah County, Oregon, a plaintiff and a defendant faced off in the United States Circuit Court for the District of Oregon in 1875. The plaintiff set forth their claim to the land through a patent issued by the United States as a settler under the Donation Act of 1850. The defendant contested this claim, offering certified copies of a previous judgment against the plaintiff, and asserted their own right to the land. This convoluted case took place against the backdrop of an important legal principle. According to established law, the court could rule the property of a non-resident could be seized for the payment of debts incurred in that state, but conditions applied. This could take place only if the court could not locate the debtor, and if there were credible claims against them. This led to the court considering whether due diligence had been exercised in this case. The two-day trial unfolded on September 24 and 25, 1874, titled Neff v. Pennoyer. Both parties presented evidence, with the plaintiff offering documentation from the U.S. government supporting their claim. The defendant responded with certified copies of previous judgments against the plaintiff. Controversially, these judgments were based on service by publication, rather than actual notice delivered to the plaintiff. The court ultimately ruled in favor of the plaintiff, judging the defendant's previous case to be invalid. It was the court's opinion that the defendant had not taken sufficient steps to inform the plaintiff of the lawsuit. Despite a normally stipulated rule allowing for the use of service by publication, the judges agreed that in this case, the service and judgments were void due to the lack of due diligence in locating the plaintiff for personal service. Accordingly, the plaintiff was deemed the legal landowner, adding an intriguing chapter to the annals of Oregon's property law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.